everyone, this is Yan. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will bring you to one of the architectural gem of the historical part of Budapest, the Castle Garden Bazaar. Let's go! This neo-Renaissance style of building was built between 1875 and 1883 by Miklós Ybl. This place was completely abandoned by the 1980s and listed as the 100 most endangered monument in 1996. In 2011, the Hungary government finally has decided to renovate and utilize the complex, and it has completed in August 2014. The Castle Garden Bazaar was originally performed by the commercial function with shops and cafes, and later served as an art venue for exhibitions, studios, festivals, concerts, hosts of different schools, and even a place that's suitable for marriage proposal and weddings. The main objective of this place is to become the Buda Castle's principal entry point and to serve the city's bustling tourism. There are few checkpoints you can see here, such as the Guards Palace or the Northern Palace, Northern Bazaar, which are mostly shops and cafes, stairs that could reach to the Buda Castle, pavilion that looks like a triumphal, entry to the underground event hall, and the Southern Bazaar, where it's for hosting exhibitions and events. The view from every corner in here is amazing. The 900 square meter event hall that usually used to organize conferences, gala dinner, fashion show, weddings, and others. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I will share the details at the description below. To stay up to date with my videos, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit that bell, and don't forget to like, comment, and share to your friends. See ya!